All right, guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can make between $5,000 and $30,000 online. Okay, this is legit. This is no BS, no gimmicky reward sites, and nothing like that. This is a legit opportunity that will pay you between $5,000 and $30,000. Okay, I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm gonna get straight into this one. Okay, so the site that I'm showing you is called InnoCentive, okay? And what this site does is that they recruit people to come up with ideas for problems. Well, let me reword that. They have problems and they're looking for groups of people who are willing to get together and find a solution for that problem, okay? And if you can find a good valuable solution, they will pay you a ton of money for your ideas. Okay. So, like I said, they're looking for groups of people. And the way this works is that you put together a team of people. Okay. And they'll have a list of problems, and you pick what your team specializes in, and y'all get together. Okay. And y'all try to solve the issue at hand. Okay. Now, one person is one person is designated as the team leader, okay? And this team leader will provide a proposal to this website, okay? And if they deem your uh, solution valuable, like I said, like I said a few minutes ago, they will pay you for your idea, okay? So the first thing that you want to do, okay, is go to InnoCentive.com, and you want to go ahead and you want to, right here where it says solve a challenge, you want to go ahead and hit learn more, okay? Then you want to go ahead and register as a solver, okay? But if you want more information, they go ahead and they tell you right here, okay? They give you a little bit of information. We'll start at number 2. Log in and register to see the full details of the challenge and open a project room. You will also need to accept the challenge specific agreements and our terms of use. Okay? Develop your solution. The required deliverables will be specified in the challenge description and can range from written proposals to prototypes. If you have any questions, you can message the InnoCentive team via our project room. Submit your solution before the challenge deadline. Only InnoCentive and the seeker for that challenge can view your solution. After the challenge deadline, the seeker will evaluate your submission. Once this stage is complete, you will be notified via email as to whether or not your submission has been selected for an award. For theoretical and RTP challenges, you will also receive feedback on your submission from the seeker. Promote yourself and earn awards. And this is the meat and potatoes of this whole thing. We've awarded more than 20 million to thousands of brilliant solvers from around the world. The average award amount for a challenge is around $20,000, but some offer awards of over $100,000. Okay, so looking at this, you can see that this is no bullshit. They want real solutions to real world problems. Okay, so going back to signing up. Okay. You don't want to go in this on alone. They obviously want a team, okay? Try to find out as much information as you can. Try to find out what the problems are and things like that. Get a team, okay? Talk about it, all right? And just brainstorm, okay? And we could just let's look at this one. D-Tech Challenge. Increasing the number of electric vehicles on the road, okay? They're offering $5,000 for a solution, okay? And this is the overview. All right, I'll leave it here as I'm talking just so you can read through it and listen to me. But like, get your friends together, or we all got them know-it-alls that swear they have a solution to every problem in the world. Get a few of them together. Get your friends together. Get family together. Okay, come together as a collective. Okay, do some research, do some real research on the subject, okay? And just see what you guys can come up with, okay? Come back to this site, after y'all come together with a decent, or what you deem a decent solution, okay? Your team member will submit a proposal, and if the seeker likes that solution, okay, they will pay you, all right? Now, you may not hit it out the ballpark with this particular subject or task or whatever, you know what I mean? But you can always go to different ones and just submit your ideas. Get your friends together, get your team. Same thing. Do some real research. Just come up with some ideas. Come up with some ideas. Come up with some solutions, and submit them. Okay. And hey, y'all may make the next y'all may come up with the next big solution to a world problem, and you can earn a lot of money from it. Okay, like I said, this one was just 5,000. Okay, but you've got, as I read it earlier, or I'll even show you. You've got this that's offering 25,000. Okay, 15,000, 20,000, 10,000, 50,000. Okay. Just do some real research, get your friends together, get some family together. Maybe somebody who's a professional in a certain field can get with you, okay? And y'all can come up with some real solutions for real world problems, and you can get paid a lot of money for it, okay? This isn't the only site. There's another site called ideaconnection.com, which is similar to this one, okay? You create a team, like problems and stuff that they want solutions, ideas and solutions for, okay? You and your team come up with something. Your team leader submits a proposal. If the proposal gets accepted, you can make a lot of money off of your idea, okay? So guys, I know this one is this one is a bit of a stretch, okay? But it's a creative way to make money online, okay? It's not some gimmicky it's not some gimmicky reward site where you doing a bunch of stupid ass surveys or watching a bunch of videos for pennies and points and stuff like that. This is a real way that you can make money online. Yes, this is going to take a lot of work, focus, dedication, and teamwork, okay? But the payoff, okay, just for sharing ideas are huge. The payoffs are huge. So why not give it a try, okay? It's better than sitting there doing other silly little things online for pennies, okay? And you're helping with real world problems, all right? So if you're one of those critical thinkers, or you feel like you have ideas that can contribute to the world, check this site out. And hell, you may come up with the next big idea to come up and earn thousands, okay? So that's all I got for today's video. If you found it useful, please hit that like button and share this out with anybody who you think may find it useful as well. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will catch you on the next video. Take care.